showtime, baby. Let's go, baby.
Small base, easy profit.
Yeah, but we don't have any sulfur.
There's probably only like 3 or 4 of them.
Jeffy, I'm running back over in an outside bag. Throw me the stuff through the wall. I'm leaving. I'll tell you what. Oh. Did they find the sulfur?
Definitely raid those man.
They spawned the sulfur. Yo,
So,
Zerfi, they
I'm on
spawned.
timer. I'm on timer on base.
Okay, let
They're
this.
behind a furnace.
Do you have a weapon? Nice.
Zerfi, let the sulfur despawn if you can take it. Yeah,
I know where it
exactly.
is, don't worry, but like, just leave it for now, leave it for now. You're on that roof. Oh, Zerfi on
Take the
control.
heli, GB. Take the
Yeah,
heli.
take mini.
Oh yeah, I should have. Should I
I
turn
have a
around
custom.
now?
With 8 bullets.
Wait, hold up. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Loot up! Loot up!
Loot them hill.
Please tell me there's a gap in there. Please tell me there's a gap. 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 Hold up.
Oh my god. Yeah. Fuck you, bitch. Deep.
Someone F1 kill and get a heli.
I'm on timer. Just wait, Zerfi. Just be strong.
Can you build in?
No, he can.
I'm looking for a.
Break
Nice.
bag.
Take someone in heli and go there fast.
Yeah, I'm taking 20 seconds. 20 seconds.
Jeffy, drop down. Go into the compound real quick. Go to that front gate. You can drop the stuff in there.
No.
Heli's coming. Don't worry, heli's coming.
I'm coming right now. I mean, in 5.
I can pick stuff up from underneath that front gate.
1.
If you throw stuff under that front gate.
Everyone's quiet.
Oh my god. Wait, who's coming over with heli?
That is.
Darius, when you go over, pick me up and drop me into compound as well.
But take low grade.
Come quickly, there is.
It's
Are you
in the...
full deep?
it's in
One's
the-
coming in, outside gate, outside gate, one's coming in. He's not in, he's in front door. I'm gonna go break the back.
Yeah, rock their bag.
Bah, rock this man's world.
Come with the gun. Go with the gun, Jonah. Go with the gun.
That is coming.
I'm
That
coming
is
right now.
coming.
You remember when Jonah said, do you have any acres?
Is it profiting for you guys yet?
And 2 roads of sulfur as well, behind the furnaces.
But he doesn't have that. He doesn't have that. GB.
That is-
No,
somebody's-
but we can get that easily.
Yeah,
That is bring GB.
yeah,
Put
bring
him in
GB in
the
before.
compound. In the compound, yeah.
yeah.
Listen. Yeah. But there's people in there. He just ran inside, so he's getting a gun. He's gonna try and kill you. So be careful.
Yeah, one's in front door, one's like in their core.
At least one. There's probably 2 or 3.
GB, come fast. You're gonna be fast.
Go.
Wait.
Jump, GB.
Get one of the pickets.
Oh,
Doesn't matter,
I
GB
can
will
drop
take
it
it.
down.
Zerfi, jump.
I don't have a gun. Oh god. Where's guns?
Rock their bed.
After that, pick GB with the sulfur.